Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Rae Wangari. Thanks so much for coming back. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Today we are going to be making an amazing herbal black soap that is so amazing for both your skin and hair. So this is the black soap. It's a big 5 kg block of soap. So I'm just going to cut it up and then I will grate the soap before I can measure it for use in my recipe. So I'm going to begin by adding these 7 ingredients. Then I will add more later. So this includes sugar, there is rice powder, then there is ginger powder, there is sandalwood powder, there is turmeric powder, I have cinnamon powder and activated charcoal powder. I'm going to add these first and then later on I'm going to add moringa and neem. So it's very good for you to make sure that you add your ingredients in stages. This is the first stage. Every time you add some ingredients, make sure you mix it thoroughly. So these are my powders and then I will add my oils after this. I'm going to be using lemongrass oil and lavender oil, and always make sure you add your oils before you add your liquids because the soap will blend with the oil and then you can add the juice after. If you add the oil after the juice, it may be a bit hard for you to mix it in properly. Once you're done mixing all the ingredients, you're going to cover it with a cling film, or if you have a metallic cover you can use that as well, and then you will leave your soap mixing with the other ingredients for 1 or 2 days because the soap actually needs time to soften up with the juice. So because I've used minimum liquid, it will take some time for me to soften the soap. And this stage is very important because if you decide to reduce that time, then you'll have a harder time mashing the soap because we need it to be a very smooth black paste. So right now it's not smooth at all because the soap is grated and it has a lot of texture into it. So you need some time. We will take about 5 days to finish this soap. So just watch and learn. So this is what the soap looks like after 2 days. You will see that the soap still holds its texture. You can see particles of the grated soap. So there's a lot of work to be done, guys. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe as you watch. So after mixing the soap, as you can see, I'm just mixing it and then I will start pounding it with a mortar. And if you need help, you can get a friend to assist you as well because this is a very intensive, labor intensive process. You'll just mash it and mash it and mash it until you find it has loosened up and it's properly combined, or as combined as possible, because you will still need to give it a bit more time to continue softening before we can be able to use our stick blender. Next, I'm going to add some honey, lots of honey. This is amazing for the skin. then moringa powder. This is also an anti-aging ingredient. Then neem powder for acne, and of course more glycerin because of the moisturizing benefits. And then I will continue pounding it into the soap so that the ingredients can mix properly. And then once you're done, you will just cover it. You can see how smooth my soap has become. At this point, you'll be able to use your stick blender very easily. So this is the final stage. That's after leaving it. Always give at least 1 day so that the stick blender doesn't have too much trouble mixing the ingredients. So at this point you can see you're just doing the finishing touch. You're making it as smooth as possible so that the final product will be very easy to use. Once you apply it on your face or in your hair, it just spreads very easily. It lathers a lot because it's black soap, obviously, and the benefits are so amazing. And then once I'm done blending it, I will use an ice cream scoop because that's the easiest thing for me. But if you have a small spoon, you can also use a spoon. That's it, guys. This is my finished product. Thank you so much for watching. As you can see, it's been very labor intensive, but the finished product is so effective. Thanks so much for watching. If you have not subscribed yet, please remember to smash the like button. Thanks again, and have a good day, guys.